Hello, good morning or good evening to everyone. Welcome to Mainframe Tutorials. You're watching Mainframe COBOL Tutorials. So today's video is about showing the difference between search and search all. So let's go ahead and start and look into the details. So here I have drawn two tables, difference showing a search and search all. So let's see the differences. Search is like it is a linear search and search all is like it is a binary search. Here the data need not be in a sorted order. So here the data should be always in a sorted order, that is either in ascending or a descending order. Search can be applied for one-dimensional array, two-dimensional or a multi-dimensional array. Search is only applied for one-dimensional array. Here the access is slow. Why? Because here we can use one-dimensional, two-dimensional or multi-dimensional array. So there is a chance that the access would be slow, and the data is also not in a solid order. So here the access is faster here. Why? Because it is using one-dimensional array, and already the data is in a solid order, either ascending or descending order. So the data obviously becomes faster. So we can use multiple when conditions here. We can use only one when condition here. So whereas in search you can use multiple when conditions. The set verb is used to, we use a set verb in search, so that is used to either increment or decrement the next value. There is no set verb is required here. We can use any relational operators in search. So whereas in search all only equal to operator is used. So these are the difference between search and search all. So if you're attending any interviews for a COBOL, so there is a chance of asking you the interviewer asking you a question like, so what is the difference between search and search all, where do we use the search and where do we use the search all. So search is mainly used for working with the one-dimensional, two-dimensional, multi-dimensional array, whereas search all is if you know that if the data is already sorted order and if you want to search for the particular strings, so then you can go for search all. And the one important thing is search is used for linear search and it is for binary search. So that's all. This is about the differences showing search and search all. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe me on my YouTube channel. So where you can once you click on subscribe button, you would be getting an email alerts about my videos that I would be posting in my next comings. So please subscribe to my YouTube channels to get an email notifications. So thank you so much for watching. If you feel like this video, kindly subscribe or share or comment on my YouTube channel. Have a great and pleasurable day.